and welcome to today's project. I'm out in the shed. It's actually the day before my video is due to go up. I did a live I did a live update yesterday, and I thought I'd always got planned that today was going to be a day when I didn't have anything else to do and I could do something of my choice. So I was going to turn a pen today. I'm going to be using an Amiga kit from Taylor's Murfield. I'll put the links below. This is the first time that I've actually done this kit. I've had this kit for quite a long time, and it's just been sat there looking at me because I always felt it was just too nice to do anything with. So today I'm turning that. I'm going to be using one of my own blanks, which is this one. It's like blue black with oak burr in it and the aluminium honeycomb. It's stabilised wood, this one, so there shouldn't be too much. Wanted to test out just to see what the difference was between unstabilised and stabilised, but it's only for my own sort of knowing. So I'm going to be using this one today. When it's got two tubes because it's got a lid on it, so which you'll see. I'm going to be painting. I'll be drilling out the holes first for the two tubes, cutting, drilling them out, and then I'm going to be painting them with an acrylic paint. The base of what you paint the inside of your tube will be the colour that really shows through. So because this has got blue in and I didn't want it to be darker, I'm going to paint it a lighter blue, which I'm hoping will reflect that blue colour a little bit better, because once you get down, I'm not too sure because I haven't turned these blanks before. I don't think they actually go too thin, so you might not actually even see that at all, but just to be cautious, I'm just going to do it anyway. Takes a little bit for them to dry. It's a cold day here, as you can see. Got the body warmer on. Scotland's going back to its normal weather, which is fine, but with no snow yet, so that's always good. So anyway, instead of me rattling on, I shall get on. It'll all be in time lapse, and I'll come back at the end and show you the pen, whether it works or whether it doesn't. Hope you enjoy.
Saw her up on the hill, on her way to the mill, proud and all out. But where are you now? Misunderstood, said she would help the ones that she could. No glimpse of doubt. But where are you now? Years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. We're finally home. You a hand, let me in on the plan. Together we're stronger. Don't wait any longer now. Years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. Been at the top. We're finally home. What a release to find one's peace. What a landscape to never be less. Have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. We're finally home. Years have passed.
Okay, that is the pen turned and completed, put together and everything. I'm absolutely delighted. But following on from the thing of talking about making errors, I made an error with this pen. And the error was that I'd put the bushings slightly wrong round. There was like 2 bushings for this one here and then 2 bushings for this one here, obviously on the lathe. But I had the small one in the centre instead of the small one at the end. So which meant this blank is the opposite way round from where I would have liked it. But yeah, it was an error, but I'm so pleased with the finish on it that I'm not one bit bothered. I'm not one bit bothered. So I am really, really pleased with it. It just unscrews. It's a nice quality pen. It's got a lovely nib on it for writing. I was just writing with it a second ago. And the lid can screw in the top here. And then unscrews to go back onto the nib. Beautiful quality pen. I do love the Taylor's Murfield's own pen kits. They're absolutely beautiful. I'll put links to everything below for this. I used obviously Yorkshire Grit original and then Yorkshire Grit microfine. There was a couple of little voids in the burr, which is normal with burr, so I just filled those with a little bit of CA, sanded them back down before I put Yorkshire Grit on. And yeah, I am really, really pleased with it. I could see me getting very much into making this styling pen. It is my favourite so far. Like I say, I've had this one for a long time and not made it because I didn't know. I was a bit unsure about making it, but I'm actually really, really pleased with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. As I say, I just fancy going out, making a pen for myself today. It wasn't really for anything, in fact it's probably too good for me to take to work even, but I may well sell it. But yeah, really enjoyed it. I'll post a couple of pictures up after, and thank you very much for watching.